Welcome to our channel. ASUS RP-AX58 AX3000 Wi-Fi 6 Range Extender Setup Easy Installation Guide. 1. Unbox the extender. Take out the ASUS RP-AX58 extender and check that the power plug is attached properly. 2. Plug it in. Plug the extender into a wall socket near your main Wi-Fi router for the first setup. 3. Wait for power light. Turn it on and wait until the power LED starts blinking, which means it's ready to set up. 4. Connect your phone or PC. On your mobile or laptop, connect to the Wi-Fi network named ASUS_extender. 5. Open Setup page. Open any browser and go to http://repeater.asus.com. You can also use the ASUS Router App. 6. Select your main Wi-Fi network. Choose your existing Wi-Fi network from the list. 7. Enter Wi-Fi password. Type your main router's Wi-Fi password and tap Apply, Next. 8. Wait for connection. The extender will now connect to your router. This takes about 1 to 2 minutes. 9. Place extender in best location. Move the extender halfway between your router and weak signal area. Ensure the signal LED shows good or strong. 10. Test the Wi-Fi coverage. Connect your device to the extended Wi-Fi and check internet speed and signal strength. Thanks for watching.